Hey guys, welcome to a quick tutorial, and today we're gonna learn how to play Plants vs Zombies 2 on PC without any emulators. So without further ado, let's begin. First of all, this game is called Plants vs Zombies 2 Gardenless, and here's the official website. Link in the description. So to download this, you can click the download button, then you'll be directed to a bunch of links. So these are the links, and you can now select the version you want. I want the Windows version, so I'm gonna go with this. Click the link and the file will be automatically downloaded. After downloading it, you can extract it wherever you want. And after extracting, this is the game. This single file is the executable file of the game, which means you run the game by double clicking on this. So this is literally Plants vs Zombies 2 but without any bullshits. That's what we see in the intro as well, without any bullshit. And you can also find a lot of options to play around with. And if you find the game too difficult, you can change the difficulty settings in options, and also you can use cheats as well if you want. And yeah, no bullshit means this is not pay to win. You can play this completely for free. As you can see, even in stores there's nothing to buy, no microtransactions. So that's how you play Plants vs Zombies 2 on PC without any emulators. And thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.